Hey folks, I'm Rob.
And I'm Nathan.
And we are
Two Guys in a Ride.
And today we are at the Shed in beautiful Warroad, Minnesota.
Now the Shed is a private collection of 90 plus classic and unique cars that's open to the public and owned by Bob Marvin. And if you want to visit, we've listed their contact information in the description below the video. Well, what do you say, Rob?
Oh, I say,
let's go for a ride.
Power steering?
Nope. Basic car.
That's extra weight.
Yeah. Might lose 5 horsepower with that power steering pump.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, all your ancillary things like that take horsepower.
You know, and to meet all the fuel standards now, that's why so many are going with electric water pumps and electric power steering.
More horsepower to the back wheels from the crank without those auxiliary things.
Love the color on this.
Yeah, Le Mans blue is just
Yeah,
gorgeous.
just perfect blue.
The other 2 blues I really like are the Daytona and the Marina blues.
There's a what were the 2 you said?
Marina and Daytona.
Okay, and then there is on a Chevy mid-60s there was the Nassau.
Oh, Nassau. Yeah.
That's
That's a pretty color.
That's a beautiful
Yeah.
blue.
Yeah,
Oh
we saw
my.
one of those.
Yeah.
You put that on a 67 Chevelle or something like my neighbor that has a Napa store 2 doors down from me. He's working on one that's Nassau blue. It's like, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous.
Probably gonna do the same thing here by
At the 45?
Yeah.
Hold on to yourself there,
I
Nathan.
was kind of hoping you wouldn't do that this time.
Well, then we'll let you out right here.
It was such a letdown last time.
I haven't driven this one really since it came back, so I'm interested to see how it responds.
Well, by all means, try it out.
Just don't scare the runner.
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry about the runner.
Jeez. wrap on another fantastic vehicle, and we really want to say thank you to the great folks here at the shed in War Road, Minnesota. And this is Rick and this is Doug. You saw them in their videos. And of course the owner, who's not here right now, but we do want to give a shout out to Bob Marvin as well. But before we leave you, make sure to leave a comment below, click that subscribe button, and
ring that bell notification so you never miss one of our videos.
that's it. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Rick, Doug, and me. We'll cut that part out.
Yes, we will.
I almost tried.